So good and welcome to Enzi Money Making class. In today's video, we're going to be seeing exactly how we can make 22,000 naira for free. I'm sure probably you're wondering, is this really possible? Can I really make 22,000 naira? Yes, you can make 22,000 naira. The funny thing is that you can make that in a single day. You can even make up to 100,000 in a single week. So the question is, how do we go about this? The first thing I need you to do is click on the description of my video, or probably check out the comment section. There's already a link and a referral code that you're going to use in making this money. And the application we're going to be making use of is actually Palmpay. So what you're going to do is that once you click on that link, for those of you who are not yet registered on Palmpay, that is the link that will give you the money that you need for the 22,000 naira. So what you simply have to do is once you've created your account, they'll simply ask you, put in your phone number. Your phone number is all you need. They will have to send you a code on your phone number. Then in 4 digits number, you build that. Next thing, you verify with your BVN. So some persons already have fear. Is Palmpay really real? Won't I get scammed? No, Palmpay is actually controlled by CBN. If you even check over here at the top of this place, you will see that CBN is actually controlling Palmpay. And Palmpay does not act of his own accord, meaning they are protected under NDIC. They cannot just do things the way they wish or they want to do. And you can see that they are back to onboarding people on board. So the next thing you need to do is to refer at least 5 persons, and with those 5 persons, you're going to get 22,000 naira. So what you simply need to do is you make use of the link below, get onboarded using my link, and then the next thing you come over here, you come to this place and click on Big Win. So once you click on Big Win, and that's it. So you're in the portal, and then so after clicking on Big Win, you can see here where it says you need 33 naira. So just money that is not even sufficient for your biscuits. You can even do a transfer of 100 naira into your Palmpay account or whatever the case is, but just try to ensure that everybody who registers gets verified, doesn't take anything. Your BVN is safe with Palmpay. They are controlled by CBN. They cannot act of anyhow, so you have nothing to be scared of. So after that, you're done. You click here on invite friends, and that's all. So this is the code. Make use of my invitation code, which is what I've already given there to you, and you are good to go without any form of struggle. So next thing you come over here, says this is what it says. It says share link with your friends. You say share link with your friends, invite, complete a transaction. So what do? You come over here, recharge your phone, 100 naira, 200 naira, 300 naira, 400 naira. Probably you want to subscribe for data. Just do a transaction or send money to another account or your friend's account, any bank account that you have there. And after that, you get reward after invitee has finished all the tasks. So when you click on my code, make sure you complete a transaction. Do a recharge, do a recharge 100 naira on your phone, 200 naira on your phone, and then probably just do a bank transfer into any of your account, UBA, Access, GTB, any account at all that you're making use of. And so it's as simple as that. So once this is done, so you can see that's all. You can then share your link to anybody, however it is that you want to do so. So once this is done, you can see the number of persons down here who are already earning. So you can see this person's 22,000 naira. People are already earning from it. People are earning, people are earning, people are earning. You can be one of those who are going to get this 22,000 naira. However, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. Then don't forget to also share this video to your friends and family. Just tell them exactly what they need to do. I'm sure there's somebody out there who needs that 2,000 naira, probably just to transport himself to and fro work, of course, or probably to feed himself, add something to his salary. So thank you very much for watching. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.